Me never give up, dog. Me not stop try. People from us hear the voice and you don't know, you know. I don't want man in but the Alton Garden. You understand? Big up on yourself. As you know, watch a movie, make sure say you subscribe, like, share, comment, do the right thing. You understand? And everything, listen, want to see another movie, I just to entertain, you know. You understand? So just watch it, love it, share it, and support the thing. Support the movement, support what we are do. You understand? Richard Brown Films, Paradise Nation, and Alton Garden Originals. All right? Big up. Chatty now, chatty now, chatty, yeah. Down in the grill. That's where you see tourists walking by. Yo, right now, you know. You see, after we sell off them media, the money what we make, just to buy some goat.
But the good thing don't really work like that, you know, but
Oh, so we know I run off round here, so. I look on man, so. Eh?
So, Jutta, how you pull up, so, huh?
No, don't try look on me that way, there, man. Yo, back up in this, man. Yeah, I wanna feel like. Boy, John Wayne, feel like the name don't ring a bell. Ring a bell, man. Now run off the place like I feel like, say, I want to take over, don't know. Well, I'm me, I go take over that. I tell you that. Here, every split for no sell, every tree, for every tree, more want a piece of money. You hear that? And if you feel like a joke thing with the pan, here, if you feel like a joke thing with the pan, just try me. You hear that? You know, try me.
So, Jutta, how you behave, so? Like, say, help the plant not tree runner. So, this is what we are doing, man, we give back to the community, man. I'm telling you, how you behave, so?
All right, let me tell you this. You boy, and you will look like you feel like you think somebody afraid of your tough face. The same time I come back around here again, I'm gonna get money. Shell me a shell down around here. Here, boy. Prepare for me. Yeah.
boss, where we are going to.
Don't worry yourself, man. Don't worry yourself.
I say you name John Wayne, you know. Are you run off around your sign? I say I can't make him a chat to you, so bossy.
Let's see if I get some machine, man.
Yo, Rex, come here, man, come here.
What go on?
Yeah,
Alright.
yeah, man, everything good.
Yeah, what I'm still, you know. That thing why you do for me, you know.
Oh.
Why I make sure that the community winning the boss. Zin?
They are on a piece of food.
Yeah, what I'm just deal with the lines, man. Yeah, them deal with that. Zin?
It's alright.
Yeah, man, make sure winning the boss.
Yeah, man.
Alright, enough respect.
Big you not bring this on the striker attack, you understand?
I big up my boss, you know. Respect. Yeah, man, yeah.
Big up the LP9 police. One Mr. Watson, right?
Yeah, man, you good, you? Big up, man, big up.
I know the code, you know. I mean, I got the whole orange team, good up. I know where they are for the Babylon. Father Horseman, big up yourself, you know, because you don't know.
How would I?
Yes, Mr. Boss, I like what you're doing. Good thing for the community.
Man, yeah.
Yeah, man, keep
Respect,
doing
man.
it, huh?
Thank you very much.
All right, respect.
Make sure you vote now. Mr. Charlie, sir. What you doing?
But you know, respect, what going on?
Yeah, man. Are your team out there?
Yeah, you ready.
Oh, well, you know, say I'm manager still, you know, but when we come check up on still, come here, say, you deal with the road works and them things, you know? So you got in?
Yes, man.
All right, here what happened? I have some road, the more you catch up to me.
Yeah.
See? So, you know, say election will come up, so you don't know, say, so we get them, you know, fix the road, and you know, say we get vote. See?
Right.
Yeah, so I go want you patch up some road for me and take that. Good?
Yes, man.
Oh, well.
Style.
All right.
Location?
So, you see little young hole them?
Yeah, but and grow.
Yeah. But you know, man, I the man.
Yes, man.
Yeah,
Yes,
the
man.
hole you make them go, so you know, say next time, you know.
Yeah. We have more holes to patch.
And you know we contract go, you know, because may I forgot to talk about that, you know. What percentage, because you don't know, say, one hand wash the other.
Yes,
right?
man.
Why so like I hear the man still, you know.
Yes, man.
All right, yes. We'll talk.
Yes,
We'll
yes.
talk. Easy, Baba!
Wow, Mr. Boss, good night, sir.
Oh, what going on about?
Oh, I don't know if you remember me, you know.
Come on, over there, man. I know everybody here, you know, man. I am Miss Debbie, son.
Yeah, man.
All right. My community, someone must know.
But you know, say something I want to talk to you about still.
Yeah, man, I come there. Oh, why score? Because me just, you don't know.
How I score? 2-1.
2-1?
Yeah.
Oh. All right.
Yo, hold on. May I talk to you, man? Yo, I was going to say, you know, say something I want to talk to you about.
Hold on, I come.
I don't know if you know, you know, but me run off the place with me there.
Hey, where's it?
I mean, run off from the Thompson Lane, you understand?
Yeah, man. Are you?
You know, I'm responsible.
Ah, hold on. I'm going to see if I go there and score. John,
Yeah,
go on
that.
that. Anyway.
As me I say still, as me I say.
All right, come in. Come.
As me say, thank you for it. I listen here is Mr. Boss.
Yeah, man.
You understand? But I don't know if you know still, you know, but I'm in charge I run a community.
Pass, man. Remember saying, no, we know how you're in a box. But if you say we know which thing I go on, you know what me hear about it. You understand? And plus, well, you have whole lot, yeah, man. Anyway, we have a big influence, you know, because you control the people, you know.
Yeah, man.
And for when me gather, last time I lose, because of you, you know. You understand what I mean?
But
You know, gather the flock to my direction.
no, man, I true the last time, you know, man. Your party did promise us something and you never fulfill it, so. Isn't it?
Anyway. Okay, so now, you like what I do? The league and I put on and all that stuff there.
Yeah, man, I like,
I like community together, everything and support man call about and, you know.
But
Yeah, man,
that
people
I-
enjoy themselves.
that I think when I not too like about it. You bring too much man from some place, boy, place, but me not have a problem still, you know. Because I am a big man, you know, so you responsible.
Yeah, what you say, man? What you say? Yeah.
As me say still, man, you know, say other day, me dey for my ends. And some youth from over it. Run a lago deck, running for me. You know, my weed farm.
Mm.
I don't know if you know, you can get us some strap from me.
You what? Me not do nothing for free, you know. I do favors in the boss. One hand wash your dime. You see me? You understand what I mean?
You
serious, youth?
You serious, man? I mean, man.
No, but me a talk, me a talk and we know, but you what, man, now. Anything what me a do right now to influence people win this upcoming election.
So you know, how we can be a help to you then?
No, get the people, man. Remember, say the people have a lot of influence for the people. Remember, say when you get them people, then, and get them on my side, everything cool. You understand what I mean? But hold on, we yourself, you want me to get on some
Some shoes. Not the one I'm wearing on my foot, but the one I'm wearing now, waist, man.
Why?
Goal again.
Yeah, man. Here what me still. Me can't do things, you know, you. A simple matter that. But more if you know, say you're serious. I'm going to give you, but I'm going to give you a test. I'm going to see how large it is. I'm going to give you a test. If I place them, I want you to burn down from you. I'm not saying nothing much to you, man. I'm going to just tell you how and what I want to burn down that, you know. You know, say you're serious and things you run. You know. You sure say you can manage that?
A simple thing that, man.
I'm going to tell you what to do. Before you do the little work, we'll see how serious it is. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Because we do anything to win and win, man.
I guarantee you, sir, if we get with some strap, we can get the youth seminar place.
Just draw your people into my side. Everybody come. You know, something good. Then? Alright?
Yeah, man, no problem, man. A simple thing that, man. I mean, I say I'm responsible for the people around me.
Alright.
John Wayne, the people that surround me, you know.
Yeah, man, we know, man. But as I say, deal with that, I mean, no, say you're serious. And then I get any strap you want.
Alright. Just send me your location. Look at me, man. You understand?
Alright.
I don't know, you can't do say nothing to out or something, you know.
No, man, that's why I pull it right there, son. Because I know there's something sick like that, you have to talk to.
Alright.
You know it, you know it.
Alright, so go and watch your match then. Come on,
Man, go on, man, yeah, come.
you understand? Any little thing, you know. You there, you know.
Yeah, man, you're good, man.
I don't think nobody see me.
Make sure say nobody don't see you. Me know say nobody don't see me.
I don't think nobody see me, man.
Alright, man. Yo. And this a movie how we do now, I'm gonna make we get the gun them. I mean, that's what we do.
Yeah, man.
No business why MP you have with that thing.
Yeah, man.
Insurance money, man, do this fine.
So we can't get some insurance money?
We can get money differently, man. A gun one. I remember say, boy, they running power in a Javi.
Oh, yes.
When we see a nervous in a dash, you don't even know see how.
Boss, I don't like their style, you know. Disrespect me, you know. You see when I see him, I go put a shot in the head, you know.
Yo.
But no move from your side.
See place I get. See bomba.
You coming to serve me? You coming to serve me? Yeah, come go serve me. I hope I hear this.
Hello.
Hello.
Miss Baker. Long time I don't see you.
You look familiar, but I can't put my finger on where we've met before.
So me look that bad there now?
I mean, I'm not sure what you looked like before, but I think I know you from somewhere.
I was in the same 10-age class with you at home.
Yes, that makes perfect sense.
John Wayne.
John Wayne.
You look nice.
Nice to see you.
So what you doing now?
Well, I'm a judge.
Judge?
Yes, I'm a judge.
Oh. And also, Yeah, judge.
Mm-hmm. What you've been up to?
Well, me kind of have my hands in everything, you know.
Everything like?
A little bit of farming, a little bit of this, a little bit of real estate, and
It's not bad. It's good. It's good to know.
I do well for myself.
It's good.
Every week, me have a lot of money coming.
Well, that's wonderful. You know, just here getting the fruits on the weekend.
Oh man, anything I want here, someone I'll get it for you.
Okay.
I see you like this bunch of banana.
Yeah, I definitely want this one.
Alright.
How much is it for this one?
No man, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yo, road boy, I know a thing. I'm good.
I like this one.
No man, this one do fine.
Okay.
I don't know before I go man.
Sure.
We can keep living, guys. No, actually have lunch another day, then.
Okay, that doesn't sound bad.
Irish parish the judge, you know. Down here?
Yeah, this parish.
Alright, that's good. It's good to have somebody like you for the team, you know.
Somebody like me on the team. What does that
Nice,
mean?
a nice brownie, a nice.
Okay, then you're going to walk me to my car?
Of course, you're good in there, safe with me, you know.
Okay.
Alright, so you get some feet already? Alright. I'm glad that you reach home safe and thing. But know yourself, man. As soon as me done the meeting here, make a call about Zane. Alright. Yo, wagwan.
What you say now? Wagwan.
What is?
Nah, man, I want to meet that, man. Don't worry yourself, man. Government give me him to watch me back, so don't worry yourself. How can I do it in nasty places to carry me come bridging? How am?
I don't know how wagwan is.
Nah. I want to man. Put on your hand. You eat that, man. You see government, give one of them, man. Everybody get one, man. I want you. Relax yourself, man. I want to be, man. Don't worry yourself.
Oh, so what you say? Everything good?
Everything good, man. Everything good. Anyway.
I put my one.
Boss, man.
I'm dealing with wagwan, I said.
I like it whisper things still, man. But anyway. Good job, power, me saying you.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Yeah, man. Good job. Are you on him?
I'm on him, deal.
Yeah, man. Good job. Rate that still.
Yeah, man.
You see, say you're ready still, so you keep your end of the bargain, which look good. So you want now. Now keep my end of the bargain. See it, sir? Give me that there. Boss, man. This, what you say you want, you know, to protect the community and protect you, you know. See? And 1 or 2 or 3 in there, no boss. Anyway, hope that time look in there. Binoculars all in them, and you can't stay from far and shoot anybody you want to shoot.
No, man, I like
See?
that. I like that, man. I like that. As I say, respect. And you're going to get a vote then.
Boss, man. Boy, this I want to come in like, so boy, me head the pan that one there now. Head the pan pike for the election, so make sure, say, you do your part in the back.
Don't worry yourself, man. Remember, say the whole of Bullet Train, whole of them place here, for we place them, you know, man. And now we, the people, them, say John Wayne, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Petersfield down to Hamilton, there, so all of them, so all of them people there, sure them vote there.
All right.
As I say, thank you for them gonna.
Yeah, man. Careful how you do this. Here.
But I say, but I'm not got no problem with it.
Boss, man, I hear me say, man. I want to with this, man. When you see me in the street, I want to be, man. Don't worry yourself, man.
All right, but just make sure say they tell for you.
In good, man. In good, man.
So I
Yeah, man.
So I say, we can get some, I think, out of insurance money when I get it.
Boss, man. Are you around the community? In good, man. In good, man. In good. Yo, man. That's all. In good. Boss, man. Are you around the community, you know? So you know, say I forget a good piece of bread. So don't worry yourself.
Come on, because me I have to take care of people. Them.
No, man, I mean, I have to take care of you, you know. You take care of me, I take care of you.
Yeah, man. As I say, big up yourself in the MP.
Yeah, but as I say, get the people them to vote.
Don't worry yourself, man.
All right.
Once you keep up your head on the back, I want some farm work program to hear.
Boss, man, just get the people them to vote. Me just want to win.
Yes, sir. You them listen up. Don't worry yourself, no, man. Yo, no, man. Nobody vote me. Yo, what you say? Around a sign there?
Yeah, man. Big bad dog and he say, oh, I want to say you're always there. You always check one girl.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Alright, yo, come in.
Yo, you good? No, me get shot. Yo, come on. He dead?
Hey, boy, get me. Yo, come in, dog. We don't want that.
He's dead.
No worry, that's them. Don't think, bro.
Boss, don't make me dead enough.
You're good, man. Doctor ready.
Ah! Trap.
Yo, save him there. You get that fresh show. What's his name?
Try this a flesh one.
Young man, just be calm, breathe easy.
Doctor, there's no way you can do to save him, you know.
Suppress the wound.
Save me. Save. Don't make me dead. Me have too much one to live for.
Okay, that's it.
Yo, easy yourself now, make man. Like the doctor doing work now, man.
Boss, don't break it for me chain.
Yo, don't worry about no chain, brother. Doctor, do what you can do to save him, you know.
Will do.
Yo, easy.
Suppress the wound.
Whiskey, easy yourself.
Take
Easy
time.
yourself.
January, we need to talk. That weapon.
Doctor ready, hear me and say no, man. My blood a boil right now, you know, doctor ready. Nobody with too much like chatting, man. Just
January, just let us talk. Just let us
yo, easy. Hold on, just put pressure upon your own, Javi. Put pressure upon your own. Yo, doctor ready. Hear me and say.
Listen to me, I have a reputation to protect, right? The man is being shot. You need to take the man to the hospital.
Calm down,
Not
man.
here. Gentlemen, come on.
Doctor, hear me and say no, man. You know how badness come down, you know. We can't carry him to the hospital, you know. You get what I say? Oh, why, you make me nervous? Make me put up.
Yes, gentlemen, get rid of that thing here, man.
Hear me and say, doctor, ready. Zane, you know the badness come down. We can't do them something.
Right.
You understand? That the man there like my little brother, I want you know, I want you just do what you can do for save him.
I understand, but you need to take him to A&E at the hospital.
You remember say when I go to college, before I even start go to college, I see potential in you. And I say, yo, I not want to bring you in any badness. Go on to college and go do something with your life. Because I say you want bright youth.
Right.
Now it's your turn to do something for me. That the man there like my brother, I want you to save me life.
But I do not have all the resources to do that type of work.
Me are dead.
Listen to me, man. Go save the man, the doctor, man. No, I'm here, man. I never deal with this, man. No, I'm here. You know say how thing come down.
Let's take a picture together.
You know, so I'm gonna really take pictures, man.
You can't tell me that. We need to document, you know, when we just started dating. You don't want memories of our second date?
I mean, we just never really see the need to take pictures, you know, because I saw them catch one of my friend, you know.
What friend? And caught them for what?
Barbecue, man.
Barbecue?
Yeah. Dwayne Johnson.
Interesting. He's your friend?
I'm a good friend. I like my man, and then man, they go like a brother, you know, man.
Like brothers, you say? Enlighten me, John Wayne. What is it that you do? You're saying that you and Barbecue are friends. Your name, which is somewhat a common name, you know, has popped up several times in court documents, but I just assume that, you know, there are multiple people with the same names. So now that you mention Barbecue, what is it that you do, really?
Well, I'm somewhat, you would say, a community leader. But
Community leader, what does that mean?
like, so for instance, if anybody in any community have any problems, they can just come and talk to me and help them out in whatever situation I can. You understand? Help them with food, water, and security.
So it's like an organization?
Yes, like an organization.
Never heard about that before. In the community that you live?
Yeah, man, we ensure that there's peace.
What companies are you guys associated with? I've never heard of this organization.
So you never heard of the AINA association before?
No, I haven't. I absolutely have not, and that doesn't even make sense to me. John Wayne, You sure you're not an area leader or something like that?
All right. So basically, you don't know sometimes people in my community they misbehave. So sometimes you have to keep them in line, see me, but
What does keep them in line mean?
keep the community in line, ensure so everybody they in check. Everybody are pay them dues and all them stuff.
Their dues.
I mean like them duty, make sure say who's supposed to do this or do this. I'm more of a protector in the community. You understand?
Protector, you sir.
Yeah man, make sure say everything alright.
John Wayne?
Remember you know, I have to protect you.
John Wayne? Just make sure that you're not killing anybody. And anything that you're doing, you don't end up in my courtroom. Okay? Judge Baker will sentence you.
Mean I can sentence me to something else.
Just come let me teach you how to play golf.
So you go on now.
That's what you got it from all our little sis?
No.
That is many things. That's all I'll say about that.
Like when you grow, you're good too.
Well behaved.
You're very beautiful.
Thank you. So you're just going to take multiple pictures? What about us together?
Oh, sorry. You know, say true, I really take pictures still.
Really?
I really take pictures. Nice. I really do the picture thing. Yo, Stacy, tell me say I don't say boy there, you know. Yeah, so I go in there. Just hold him. Jape him up. Because I don't want him to feel like I say he can't come over here so I can't take nothing from over here, you know. Yeah. Yeah? Yo. Yeah, build up big establishment around here, so. So, you don't feel like I say if we pay dues?
Well, boss, me I tell you the truth, I got no. The little money when me have in my place, I just pay light bill, pay two little staff, then I hand them out. Me not make no money for give nobody else extra to that. If you want to get a food for you, then you can't hear that.
Well, not easy. You say I feel like I say. Me have to pay them. At night time when them a run off, I lock off the place so they don't asleep. And we a make sure say no boy from over so now come over here to come do no nothing. You don't feel like I say me have to pay them. Eh? If say you feel like I say if you just the road and say make money around there so I don't want to pay no dues. Eh? Every week me have to them want to you.
Boss, who tell us me I make money?
So what? Everything going around here so me know. Every little week when I keep a little party around here so me know about it. And a long time if you come around here, you know. I mean I tell us some more money right now.
Boss, me tell you. Remember I said, even though me tell you say if it's not make no money.
Come like say that boy you not understanding yourself, you know. Boy, let me tell you this. You feel like I say, you just go around here so and make money and don't want to give me none. Eh? Money for your pay around here. Money for tell you this boy. Money for your run. Oh, well. Bartender, look who may have a drink here. Yo, come in. Yo, any boy run us feel like so they don't want to pay no dues, no man. Just come, yo. I think I don't check on us. We have a love of you.
Yeah, you know, me know. You want anybody to do this one?
Alright, no your father still don't want me to park and you. So,
Yeah, but, you know, just keep it between me and you. Daddy not know.
I'm saying I just the
There so. Alright.
Hey, sis. How I go on?
You mean by what going?
You tell me say how me think really happen.
That was supposed to come to me, but
Sis, what if you man they all dirty boys, sis, all hoodlums, sis. You can't put yourself with them, man.
decision that for make for me choose.
Sis, me not choose fear about them, man, no fit fear no time.
You can't decide that for me.
Sis,
My choice. And you're not supposed to call him that anyway.
me know you don't understand what go on, but later on you will get what go on. Them man, them John Wayne, all rough boy in the road, anything can happen. When you're there on John Wayne, anything can happen to you.
You don't know him the way I know him. You don't know the version of him when me know.
Yeah, but
I say anything because you see the exterior, but you don't know John Wayne.
remember say when a man a try to get in the head in the system, now go really show him true colors, you know.
Me know him true. I can attest to it. Just listen to me. You know me, I do. Me a big man, you're supposed to can trust my decisions. You normally trust my decisions.
No.
Listen to me.
Sis, me trust your decision, sis, but this time I fall off a track, sis. Sis, where you ever go for meet them, man, sis? Them dirty hoodlum, yeah.
You don't know
Eh?
what him you can't call him that you don't know him.
Sis, remember who me be, you know, remember me there in the road, remember say me understand the street, I know the street, you know. But sis, tell me now, how you really go for meet somebody like that, sis?
No matter, you know, look, all you need to know is that me love him and you think him a worse person because you know a lot of people like him, but you don't know John Wayne. Just listen to me, okay?
Sis,
The type of person will help everybody, you know, and take care of person in the community, you know, regardless. Just give me a chance to explain how he is to you.
all right, sis,
What you think?
you know what I answer, sis? Know you're a grown woman, you know, and me know you have a right to choose for yourself. But you know, remember say me there in the street, I'm a detective. I know a lot of guys like John Wayne. And them all have capital T in them forehead. Spell trouble. Them all have trouble right all over them. I buy an idea, it never end well. So I just protect me, I protect me. Now I try,
I understand, but you just give me a chance with him, you know what I mean? I promise you, you know what I mean?
just be careful. But that's why best for me, that's why I know say you're safe. Just take care of yourself, yeah?
Like the best to me, but just prefer.
All right, sis.
Alright.
Take care, yeah?
And don't tell daddy yet. Just give me a chance.
Everything good, man. But that's why I know say you are.
Yes, Miss Manderson. You can send the money now.
Put up.
But when me I look for you, no big man.
Detective Baker, you just pull up, sir. I want to you now.
And the reason I pull up, because I deal with my sister. And I don't agree with that. Because he's a hoodlum. And I avoid my sister, big man.
Then Detective Baker, you can't just come to me about your sister, sir. Your sister a big woman, you know.
No, listen to me, no, brethren. Listen to me, brethren. I see my sister, I choose for my sister. I don't know why you were saying or what me saying. I mean, run this place, you know me. And you know. So you hear what I say? See my sister, I choose for her, but there's nobody for my sister. Somebody just love my sister alone, brethren. I understand?
You know, say a sudden little uptown youth a stay.
I don't think you know him much at the bossy.
Man, because in going and force, you know, I feel like I saying powers up. Because you go say me not good enough for your sister. Like, Detective Baker, let me tell you this. You can't hug up your sister the way you hug me hug up your sister, you know. You can't pinch her in her side.
So the fact say I come here now, come tell me say, yo, me can't do with your sister. Me not rate them move the detective Baker. Me did rate you as a bad boy police, but me not bother rate you again. Me not tell a lie.
Big man, hear me I say. Just love out my sister. And I don't talk with her. Just know so I know where to find her.
Alright, Detective Baker. Brother.
Boss, me tell her, you know, you need to start tell Swiggly to start patrol the place. You can't just leave it place so.
So how we know? Yo, get Squiggly come around us now, you know, and mash up in your face, you know, man.
Boss, if I anything, you know, me can deal with you if you want me to deal with him.
No, man, make him say it, man. Me rate your sister. Nah,
Me can't make man chat to you, so.
no, man, I saw some man, man. Him alright.
Yeah, me I deal with Swiggly, you know, because he can't make man come go there for you.
Can him come now?
Hey, boy, John Wayne. If you ever move, me shoot you.
Yo, I want this from me.
Hey, boy. What you mean what this for, boy? Hey, boy. Yo, come up, person. Get up, come up, person. Let's tell us a long run short catch.
Yo, what is...
Come over here, son. You're under arrest. Go over here, son. Hey, boy, hand in here.
Watch out, man. What is for? Eh?
Let's tell us.
Yo, arm to you, man. I really have to say I can't embarrass me out of suffer.
Hey, boy, them say up for it. Me not tell us me a walla, me not tell a long run short catch. Me not tell us if I
Yo.
a walla boy. Eh? Alright, I lock you down today now.
Yo, me have to come out, you know, man. Let me tell you that, you know. You're an uptown nerd, you know, man. And that me I tell you, you know, your sister account your feelings over. Me no lick up, me no beat up nobody or broke no hand.
Hey boy, I know say I'm one come for you today. You know what time it is? You know how good fear is, so just comply with the police right now.
So, Mr. Brown, right now you see we can see that the suspect is there.
Yeah, you sure you know can't see me?
No man, him not see you man, I tell you. The glass tint and it soundproof, so I'm not here with not talk.
Alright.
What you say happen now?
Yeah, man, officer, he beat me, man, and broke me up, man, right now. Man, I like start much money from me.
This one,
Yeah, man.
you know any name?
I think when name something that what's your name? His name John Wayne, officer, John Wayne.
Yes man.
Yeah, man, him.
I notorious January that you know man. Boy, look like we have him now.
Alright, so everything good with him, right, officer?
You not see him. Just call now, Mr. Brown. Him not see him, not in a year. Watch that. Fool. No, say him good man.
Alright.
Behind these prison walls,
Seriously, now, where's the
doing my
Don't worry yourself.
changes.
So, we'll go back around the front and we'll do a few things and then we sort things out.
Alright.
Alright?
Come on, now, what you are doing at them place? You know, for the right side of me, you know, you.
Behind these prison walls, doing my changes.
Let me go nice night jail so. Eh?
You don't know the things that you know, man. Me have to, you see me? No, I'm to worry myself.
My favorite criminal. You don't have to block you, bro. Eh? You don't have to get yourself a problem, John Wayne. I don't understand you, know. I don't understand you. Anyways, you get a phone for you get a call, you know. So,
Man, respect, man.
make your phone pass, sir.
Respect. Don't know the things that you know, man. Go watch you now. Me not worry myself, you know. I see police boy like me up. And your sister make your feelings fine. That me I tell you, you know.
Oh,
So them the allegation where them a drive for me, brother.
make sure it's a phone call worth it.
And I'm yes, Minister Basso. Yeah, John Wayne, man. You know, say, me run up in a one little problem and I me there link about to say me gonna get me out of jail. Yeah, man. No, a shopkeeper around the road, the man draw one allegation for me, man, because he must say me broke in and foot, man, but not no go so, man. Not no go so, me I tell him, my father, man, me I tell him the truth, as God has living truth, me I did nothing, man. But just make a call and see if I can link it, the deputy superintendent or something.
You boy, don't move it now. This are not sound good at all.
Alright, what's up? Alright. So you can't do nothing for me?
John Wayne, you look sticky for you, my boy.
Hold on, make me just make
Eh?
a knock. Check me.
Hey. Time is money, you know.
Just one more call, man.
So you gotta cost a little bit more, you know.
One more call.
Well, I better make sure so this a phone call I worth it, you know. Last one I get video, you know. Cause you know, done my credit. Now your money done long time.
Hello?
Hey, honey.
Hey.
It's John Wayne.
Yeah, no, I know you see that. What's up?
You know, I run into a little trouble, darling, and I got locked up.
Trouble.
I got locked up, babe.
What? You kidding, right?
No, babe. Some guy around the bar around there say I broke him hand and broke him foot. But it's all a lie, babe.
You know what? Don't worry about it. I get it started.
All right,
Tell me
babe.
where you are. What station are you?
I'm in the headquarters, Area 1 in South.
Alright, no problem. I'll make a few phone calls and get you out, okay?
All right,
I'll
darling.
see you in a short time.
All right, darling. And see if you can pick me up after. I really miss you.
Most definitely. Yeah, and I want to see you afterwards. So I'll make a few calls and get back to you.
All right, baby.
Okay.
What, John Wayne? You look like you know people, man. How you just call? Yeah?
Everything. I'm a woman, call man.
Your woman? No, sir, John Wayne, man, hey.
Tell us, no man.
Hey, look,
I have to come out, you know.
Eh?
What's up?
Me I tell you, say, next time me see you, no, make sure say me get the money, you know.
Yeah, but watch out.
Remember them call you get, you know?
Yeah, man, son. See the gun number again.
Mm-hmm.
Then stick, you know.
I know my stick.
But one of your boy, they kind of hold on to me, you would with it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
So me have to get back that one then.
If you see it come back in, just bring it back up. I like that one there too, you know. That one there, clap.
That one there, clap. See.
I have to load up this shit, but respect for your car again, here.
Yeah, man. Don't stay in trouble here.
So you go on, you know, man.
It's
Go on, man. Everything good, man.
Hold on, there, man. Take time talk, no, man. So how much people you collect from? You collect from the supermarket out the so. And the parts place. The boy give you trouble. Alright, no worries, sir. I'm so forward. Alright.
Quinn,
Yeah, babe.
we need to talk. So, you just came out of jail, right? And I pulled all these strings, which nobody can even know that I did that for you. I pulled all these strings to get you out of jail, and you're on the phone talking about these things right in front of me?
Babe.
Wayne,
You know what?
it's almost like you don't even respect me, you know? It's like you don't understand that what I'm doing for you is a serious issue. I cannot be doing this, you know?
Babes.
Yeah.
Remember, you know. You don't get your money already, you know. I saw me get mine, you know.
Wayne, I get my money legally. And there are several ways that you can get money legally with this life is not working out, you know. When you're stressing me out, and I really, really need you to stop. I mean, if you love me, you stop.
Babes, me love you, yes, man. I can't do that, man. You don't say me love you, babes.
Not me serious, you know. Look at me. Please. Our worlds cannot mix the way that they are. You know what I do for a living. You know that I am a judge. And Wayne, please. My brother literally told me that there are 2 cases right now that you're involved in. He said that some murder charge with some other Dan and shopkeeper that you beat up. Wayne, how is this life necessary?
So, babes, I can't just dash them something out. Just dash them, man.
Wayne, the evidence cannot be thrown away. That's not how it works. Wayne, you don't look.
You know much people depend on me, babes. You know much people depend.
Well, they have to depend on you in some other way. You cannot continue to live this life. Babe, I need you. Look at me. I need you to change. If not for anything else from me, please. This life as I've done is not working out. Just like how you allegedly.
No, so for you, me, I will change. For you, me, I will change.
You promise?
Me, because Miss Baker. Babes.
Judge Baker for you.
Judge Baker.
You know what I like when you call me that.
As I said. For you, me, I will change. But you have to just understand, say, we still have to protect the community. We still have a lot of people who look out for me. You understand? A lot of the elders them. And me take care of the medical bills and them something at one time. It's a lot me I do, you know? And then when me out there, me can't make them feel like say, oh man, I'm soft boy and then something. You alone get them soft side there, I mean, babes.
I understand, Wayne, but you need to work on it. Just promise me you're not going back to jail. Do everything in your power to ensure.
Promise you. So this is the last time I will get me out of jail. But sometimes I know how the police and sometimes.
Wayne. You see that you're doing it or you're not doing it?
I'm gonna do it, babes. Alright?
Okay.
But I don't know things sitting around. We are gorilla in the streets, you know.
You want to be gorilla anywhere else?
Johnny Wayne,
Let's say I go on to do now.
what go on? Well, Johnny Wayne, I'm glad to see you. I have one baby father there. He not take care of the child. You see how I look? I'm stressed out. You not eat, nothing at all. Just look for me, Johnny Wayne. They used to me so. I don't know what to do right now. Trust me, I don't know what to do at all.
So you mean the boy not take care of the youth? What you mean? Where you come from?
He come from Tivoli, he not take care of it, man.
Yeah. Don't worry about that, man.
He not fin pampers. He no care if the pitney want to eat. He no call, he no check up none tal. Sometimes I have to wonder if me breed myself, Johnny Wayne.
Chana, man. Yeah, don't worry about that, man. You'll set you up good. Zane? We'll make some money reach you. We get some things for you, get some groceries, and get the hair done and then something. You understand? But you say if I see the boy come around and so, don't worry me now. Just call me. You can call me phone anytime.
Thank you, Johnny Wayne. Thank you so much. You change, you know. Well, normally, so when the boy cross for your part, you shell out their head. So, I can ask one question. How what change you? A girl change you?
Yeah. As I say, No worry about that. If a boy come around here, just let me know. Because he may need to take care of me. He's a very nice youth to have, you know. But as I say, we'll teach him a lesson next time I see him, see?
Thanks, here.
Yeah, man. But
Thank you so much for everything.
I send two of the dogs and come around this because from other day, I not to walk with nobody now, me alone. Understand? An iron belly family. You understand?
Yeah, man. As me say, you change. I remember saying, you know, you're a bad man in the streets, you know. So if you see you so calm,
How are yourself, man? We spend some money for you, know, because I see it today. You're a very nice girl, you know.
alright. As me say, thank you so much, yeah.
Yeah,
I
man.
really appreciate it.
Yeah, man, a good man. Because from other day, I not too power with nobody, you know. I just me and my big belly, man, take, you know. You understand?
Thank you.
Yeah. I'll make you get to work, too. Yeah, man.
Thank you for picking me up.
No problem, sis, man. I think good
I
thing.
can't believe you carried their mechanic so long.
Well, I'm gonna take care of it.
I think a transmission problem. You know, then tell you all different kind of story when you reach there.
Yeah, I know I go, man, and them mechanic here, they tell all kind of something, you know.
Especially when a woman go there alone. That's why I never really want to go by myself, you know. But sure.
That's true, man. I'm gonna work out today. So, question. John Wayne come out of jail.
Okay.
Me sure you know, say, I mean, they lock him up, right?
So I heard.
Okay.
So I heard.
Me say John Wayne come out scratch free, so me really I wonder if you have nothing to do with that.
Honestly, I don't. Okay? Not have anything to do with it.
I just want to make sure say you know have nothing to do with that. You know?
I don't.
John Wayne a bad boy, you know, and remember say a judge, you know. And
Bro,
John Wayne,
I know better than to get myself caught up in anything because of conflict of interest. I know. I wouldn't do that.
yeah, me just make sure, you know, sis, cause I get transfer in a week time, and within a week, I'm just make sure I say a good money down.
I'll be fine. I not always can handle myself.
Yeah, we know, but remember say I deal with John Wayne is no small deal. But say John Wayne a big deal, that's it.
You worry about John Wayne like a bit too much, okay? Just want to make you know. I know me get him out, all right? And our relationship is fine. You don't need to keep on worry about me.
You're a big woman still, you know, but at the end of the day, remember me I seen you one. And
You always remind me.
yeah. And me not have a problem if me have to babysit my bigger sister.
Okay, sir. However, we're good, okay? Just don't fret about me. And even if you get transfer, I'll be fine.
Alright. So maybe come visit you around the yard before me actually leave for Kingston
Okay.
and come check and make sure everything good, yeah?
Hey, man.
Alright.
Man, come drop me on. Come make the carrot juice here. You know, daddy love when me make it.
Yeah, man, daddy loving carrot juice. Let's get daddy a big hug for me, because I now get to see daddy, you know?
I will.
Well, Mama Joy.
Supper.
Oh, go on.
Long time no see.
Well, you don't know, you know, man. Me have to take care of everybody, you know, so you don't know.
Yeah,
But your time, you know.
boy, God bless you. God good enough. Listen, me sit here about 15 minutes before you pull up. And I say, boy, I feel hungry. I'm looking at the cabinet, nothing in there, nothing in the fridge. The fridge empty. Empty.
Well, you know you can't come find me anywhere me there.
Yeah, me know that, but me know say sometimes you work up in the hills store, you carry food for people up there with need and stuff like that. So I don't know when you're down here.
Well, yeah, I don't know me always.
Yeah, you're always on the road, you know what I mean?
Well, you could have said any one of the little man.
Yes, that's the mistake me make. That's the mistake me make, you know what I mean?
But God bless you, man. Me see where you bring. My God. You know,
Yeah, man. No, just tell them, man. They must say.
you know, soup. My God, the whole 9 yard.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. This is, man.
But yeah, I not stay too long, you know.
Yes, me understand how your thing go.
But you're a youth, they're foreign. Him, what him say, you know, you're from him from when?
That the worthless boy there? Me God he never. Me say for the boy, if I know you, me no drink sugar.
Listen, man. Next time, anytime him put foot a yard there, you know, man. Me I broke when I foot them team, you know.
Boy,
And me know say if you take care of you.
Help you broke it. God don't help you broke it. You broke one and me broke the other. You broke the left and me broke the right one.
All right, but me I go in and say here, cause me have some more people figure.
Yeah, me know say the on the one, but
Take care of yourself.
yeah, man, God.
That's an art of love, you know, man. A real foundation, man, in that place, you know. You must say you use a cookie fall to them and them sitting back
Yes,
in the days.
and in them days there, yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I don't know things.
Yes,
Take
man.
care, yeah?
Yeah, man, you too.
But
Take...
no, as me say, if I want nothing, you know if you find me. So you can't say any one of the little boy them about the place, yeah? I make them know, say, oh, come link John Wayne. I tell John Wayne, you understand?
Not a problem.
Yeah,
God bless you. God,
I respect.
God bless you. God bless
love.
you.
Nah, man.
Man, God bless you, man.
John Wayne, we should even have to talk to you about this. That's something I tell you about all the while. Health ministry, yo, how the thing, boss, man? If you come in a vehicle with that, man.
Sorry, boss. Sorry. Sorry about that.
John Wayne a star.
Let's say I go on it, I know.
Are you come check, you know? Cause things are look bright, you know. Things out we have. We look good. This is election season, yeah, you know. Hey, listen to me. One more that contract. We are getting, you know, everything. Our dear man, this is the time I tell you, say, trust me. You are swimming in money, my youth. Remember me tell you. And stuff. Wow, you look someone, you look like you're happy. What go on?
We don't want them to sit there again.
You don't want what? They mean you don't want them something there.
It's a different direction more and bring the community you know, man.
What you talk about?
Every 4 years is the same thing. Every 4 years is the same thing, you know, man. It's the same thing, it's the same story you come tell me, you know.
No, man, listen to me. This, your election, we are come up. I tell you, say, things are right. Me have man on the line already, contract, everything ready. And you are going to be the fourth one in the boss, man. Everything I go to your hand, you know. So what you say, me don't understand how you do. Me don't like the energy. How you move so? What happened?
Hear me, I say. It's a few contract. When we get the contract, them, you know, by 1 year's time, the work done, and then what? We not see no again until now, election time.
Me I tell that.
Eh? Look how much time.
You have my phone number. You have everything, so you can't tell me that.
All right.
Anybody can say anything, but not you. You can't tell me that.
All right, but look how much time me I try call the phone and your secretary I tell me say you're not there. Eh?
No, but at the end of the day, you know, say me's a busy man. You know how politics go. You can't be at one place here and have to be at one place. I can't be here or there or so forth. You understand? You're supposed to understand the runnings, man. You're not supposed to, you're supposed to understand. You're not this thing along enough and you're there on. But right. Listen here. Look here, man. Cut out the foolishness.
Right.
This year, election here we are. Come, you're good. I mean, I guarantee that.
Hear what I say. Right now, me don't have my people under control, you know. Me don't have the people under control. Me have a little breakfast program thing I go and run off where the elder people them can get. Right now, you know, every elders, we have 64 elders, you know, in the community, you know. And every month, me have to ensure so they can get $30,000 out of my pocket.
I don't understand you. You come like say you have amnesia or something. You forget say when all the money from Johnson Lane running by you, and you come and check me and you say to me, say, you want some tool. I provide the tool them for you. I want to go deal with the matter. Is what happened. You turn Christian?
Yeah, man, so no. It's just a different meditation we're upon right now.
What color shirt? Look here.
This is
a switch allegiance. What happened? You switch allegiance, we don't understand.
This is a different John Wayne. Right now, it's a different. Right now, me people, me have a deal with them, man. Me not in a foolishness, you know.
listen to me. Let me ask you a question. Any other politician find any other party come check you or something? Because I don't understand. This don't sound like a you. This don't sound like a you.
Minister,
I know you switch.
Minister Vassal, hear what I say. We don't know with the foolishness.
You switch, boss. Yes, I know. Cause to me, it seems like that. Just too much riding right here. Me can't afford. You know too much secret. So it can't go so boss, man. You know too much.
Everything good, man. Zayn, everything good. As me say, my people they good. We don't need your help. We don't need your support again. I just the same promises not coming, and we don't know with that.
No,
understand? The people they must say John Wayne and a John Wayne we are work with.
Listen, and me make you no boss. And me make you have name in other community here. Everybody run come to you, John Wayne, because of me. So how comes all of a sudden you turn your back on me, boss, man?
Oh, you mean, then who put in the seat where they now? Eh?
That's what I try to tell you. But it just sound like a you, this just sound like a you.
Yeah, but you not live up to the few side of the bargain, so me have to make sure say my people them good. Me not continue to try to fool my people them. Eh?
What for now you talk to? You switch. And me can't afford for you to know all of this inner circle, inner runnings, everything, and so forth. And me, one simple thing me coming from talk to you about, no, it sound like some other politician talk to you. You switch. It can't work so young, man.
You know what? It seems
you're in it. You're in.
It seems like you not understand what I say, you know. But me I can't left you, sir.
Awesome. Yo, Spencer.
Oh, go on, man.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, man.
Come on. Come round. Come on, come in, man.
Yeah, dude, bossy.
Well, what problem, you know?
Oh, go on.
John Wayne, I checking the other day to deal with things and man I talk like him a Christian. Like, say, boy, him done it certain things and him nah, you know, but I don't really believe him still, you know. I'm like him a work with the opposition.
What? What do you mean work with the opposition? That can't work.
Yeah, because, you know, this a time that things reach a certain way where boy, we have to run the community, you know. Have to win the election, yeah. And the man I move like say, boy, to me, it like him take sides and it can't really go so. You understand me? So, a man like that, we need him because the people them follow him.
Yeah.
And if we don't have him, we're not going to have a problem.
So what really are going on with him? What? I don't understand what you're trying to say.
Well, I'm never try to tell you still, you know, so we can't really have him around still, you know. So I want you to take care of things, you know, take care of him, you know.
I send him out of the parish.
No, boss.
I send him go foreign.
Boss, man. I want you to get rid of him.
Get rid of him?
Yeah, man, you get rid of him, man.
Boss, you know, say we get rid of him a problem that I know, you know.
Oh, man, everything.
That I go start a little war, we're not sure if we're ready for that war there, you know.
Who know the police? And you don't know so how you think set, so we have to deal with that, because we know the police, and we have to deal with that part there. The problem now coming out, man. You know, you have done a long time in this man, so you don't know how to deal with the part there. You have to get rid of him.
Man, but get rid of him for true.
Yeah, man, you have to get rid of him.
I have to go make him disappear there.
Yeah, man, it's a problem to me, man. It's a problem.
Wonder you there, you know, man. I tell the man for just easy himself, you know. And watch you now.
We just understand him still, how him deal with certain things again. He don't look straight. He might work with the opposition. So, you have to get rid of him. But anyway, you know, say me have links, you know. Links and stuff for you, you know.
Yeah.
Anyhow, you get rid of him, you know, say, your ranking will go up there, you know. And me guarantee say fair rank go up, you know. So you have to go do that for me.
You guarantee that?
Guarantee say your rank up.
Then the boy
you know
disappear. No, today.
Yeah, man.
You can't find him again, you know, man.
Some more, yes, man.
Come on, boss, you say a word, man. It done deal with. You see me?
You have to go. You have to go now.
A fixed fee in business. No worry yourself, man.
No, me can't count on you still.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Just go and do the right thing, you know. If anything, you shout me. Zane?
Boss, man. Me don't even bother if you call. Just call me when you do your dirt.
Don't say a word, man. Everything good.
Oh, what kind of foolishness you want to tell? Nothing good, though.
Right now, it's when Attile and Not Nice forward. Just no say out. I take him the machine from them. You understand?
All right thing that boss.
Yeah, man. Welcome, man. Welcome.
Boss.
So here what I go on now. Me have good news and me have bad news. But before me go into that, let's deal with business.
Going up the kitchen.
Give me machine there. So here what I go on now. The good news is we're gonna get an early retirement.
Early retirement. What do you mean by that, bossy?
I mean by that, boss, man.
Calm down, man. No, you can actually do the call center thing where you said you want to do. And I don't know if you want to still do the farming thing where they inspire to do. You understand? But here we go on. They say the badness, you're done with it. You understand? Watch, you listen to me talk. I'm talking. I'm on the floor.
Sorry about it.
Hear me I say? They say the badness thing, you're done with it. You understand? We don't want no more of them sitting around us. So. We just want the community to feel peaceful. We can play with little football them and keep a little party and make the people that know say, yo, tourists can pass through around us too. You understand?
Boss, me not grow on where you still in about. Instead of we are dash ready for now upgrade the badness, we are upgrade still in about it.
No, man.
So you step outside too.
Me I come outside.
So I can make one and we control it.
No, me don't want that run us.
I disrespect him, you know. He mean control it. No, yeah. Yo, listen, man. I am my done, you know. When you say go. We don't take that from him, but we are say we can't jump outside, so.
Boss, it. I must say, like, we are no subject and our badness alone, we know about, you know. Boss, I learn for the road when I matic them before I learn to read one book. Up to now, I can't read good. I know if we all matic good, boss, you know, like, we can't go down there. Also, we come from them community and then I hope for it. So, when I look past it, what you have to do?
Yo, hear what me tell you to do, you know. Zane, me have a link up at the NHT. So, when them actually pay on for learn, you know, and for work to, you know. So now I go there, go get a little trade. Since I can't learn for read, go learn to do a little trade.
Boss, so I'm gonna write on paper and tell them so they want NHT.
You don't need to tell them nothing, just go up there and tell them your name. You know if you spell your first and last name, right?
One question though, boss, so what surround all of this? What make you just a quick for all of this? So
Here we go. I can't go into details and go too much. Just know say yo, the eye in a gang thing, you don't know it.
Boss, I feel like we can't go on them dirt then and share with us straight now. So a whole heap of dirt with the fear no boss, some man all.
Yo, hear what me I say now?
And that's true, you know.
Hear me I say now?
You sound like you have an inform, sir.
No, man.
No, not talk about
Hold on, no.
if they catch you at some place.
Hear me I say? You know I like my little brother. Zane, you say if you continue, is either them you know I go in a grave or in the cell, brother, and in a nice, and that me I try to tell them.
Nothing like that, yeah.
Hear what?
Anything you say, I laugh still.
Yeah, man.
I don't understand, boss, you just a quick son now. You baptized?
No, man.
Yes,
Nothing like
sir.
that. Everything good, man. Zane, but just do the right thing, man. You understand?
So I bad news, boss. Because this is not good news at all.
So we're saying not even no more last mission, Ronaldo?
No more mission.
Even one more for your night.
Yeah, hear me I say that?
Do sit there, you know.
No, man. Everything good, man. Just come off of the street, you know. Zane? No, no, make me hear say nothing go on, you know.
All right, that. My ass still done. Even if you're not done again. Still right done.
It's about you feel like you still don't want to send you when you do something and you're just normal.
No, man. I rate you and I respect you and big up on yourself. You understand? And thank you for your service.
Help yourself, you know.
Thank you for the service, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
And one done,
Boss.
You.
John Wayne.
Alright.
One time.
You hear that?
Alright.
Remember, you know, just in case, you know, anytime I call upon you, you're supposed to ready, you know.
Ever ready, boss. You know that, man.
But just load,
Could I ever right now if I go crush the road already, you know, boss.
right, but just load the badness, you know. Cool out.
Sleep.
Enjoy a little bit. Jamaica too nice. You understand? Party. Get a girl, roll some youth.
Yeah.
You understand? Invest. Do the right thing. Right, sir?
Yeah, boss.
No, come here.
Try and big up on yourself.
Alright, just tell us you're John Wayne, sir. Alright, no problem, no problem. I miss Metron, thank you, you know. If your church need anything again, then just call me, alright? Yeah, man, definitely. I would love to send some more water for the church on a Sunday. Alright.
You know, I really like how you changed. I'm very proud of you.
I know I saw your thing set, babes.
I know it didn't take, you know, I know it wasn't an easy step to get you to transform your life like that for me, to do a complete 180. So I'm very proud of you.
Right now, man, them probably I say, oh, I'm chicken out, like, gone from a bad man to stop doing badness and just. Right now, you're the person me a party, no man, a whiskey, you know.
Yeah, but it's better that way. At least you have one person around you that you can trust.
Nah, until I still remember, enjoy every little moment or we get to spend, so we make me see life a little bit different.
Exactly. There's more to life.
Because a long time there in the zinc fence place, you know, and the fact say uptown I live when we actually see, so we can live life. You understand?
Speaking of living life, I have some news for you.
Wait, are you serious? Just Baker, don't play with me. You serious?
Serious? Haven't told anybody yet. Well, except, you know, Brenda, but yes.
So I wanna find out.
I think 2 days ago. But I wasn't sure, so I just wanted to take a second test and just, you know, confirm.
So this is a John Wayne Jr.?
Yes.
Oh my God.
I mean, I don't know how I'm going to tell Daddy and my brother, but yeah. Which means that you have to change more. Right?
You can't be picking if you grow up and I get on with man.
Oh, absolutely not. That is not an option. You'd have to come and live where Dad and I live.
You know, babes. Fuck, say you're pregnant, you know, man. I really have to really take a stand, you know.
I want you to move.
Especially for me, I'm moving on, babe.
As in, you can come up the side where Dad and I live.
For Cherry Garden?
Yes, I'll get another property.
But babes, what am I gonna look for a guy like me, you know?
You don't worry about that. You just focus on us and our family.
Must have been a big nose and them sitting there white out, you know.
You focus on all the wrong things. Think about the fact that you have a little one coming.
So what your name is?
John Wayne Jr.
What if it's a girl?
I don't know. We'll think about it.
Devisha?
I don't think so. I always thought Emily was a pretty name.
But thank you though. Thank you for actually giving me the chance to be a father. Giving me the name of a father. You understand? Just know, say, the baby is a part of me, you know, one part of you. Excited for this journey. You understand?
I'm just extremely proud of you.
I'm actually proud of me too, you know, because it take a lot to deal with them people in our community, you know, babe.
Well, it gave you the necessary preparation to be a father in some ways. But someday you're going to also need to be a father and a husband. So you're going to need to leave that life alone.
You know, let's go celebrate.
Okay.
Yes, let's go celebrate.
Shots for you and water for me.
You can't watch this.
The road rougher than St. Thomas.
Whiskey.
Good afternoon, officer. Where are you around here, sir?
A big farmer going about here, man. Huh?
Yeah, man, so where are you around here, sir?
Well, according to your license, it expired yesterday.
The driver's license.
No, sir. License for that farm, yeah. And you know, say,
You sure it's the right farm, man?
me sure?
I can't on the farm, yeah.
But
Yeah, man.
I'm talking today, no, bossy. You understand?
Officer.
So, no, man, wait. Yeah. You can lawfully own 2 plants. Look like you have about 50 or more here. You understand me? So you do maths or you not do maths?
Officer, I don't want to get disrespectful right now. I don't know what you're doing on my farm. Because my license can't up. I have a yearly license.
The year up yesterday, Whiskey. You can go and check it, Whiskey. I'm telling you.
Yeah, but the court said me can forward next month.
Whiskey, I am the law, remember? And I am here to arrest and charge you, Whiskey. So,
officer, where you charge me for then? For my farm, where you want then?
You know, say, I've got to charge you today and arrest you. I want some after a fact. Let me see what I'm going on. So.
No, man, boss, you can't.
Come in, man. Rotted Whiskey. Intent to distribute. Why, my boy, take off the bag off your back. So,
I swear to
God. I need to come to my station.
No, man, what you do, man? You don't know.
I say I need to come down my station with me and now, sir.
I don't think you know which part today. You know who my boss me?
Who your boss?
Bossy. A John Wayne run round your sign.
That's the one I want to see. Now we're talking.
I mean, me work for John Wayne. So
yes, man.
You know.
So now you're going to help me.
Help you do what?
Yes, man. 35, you know. That is your charge, you know. 35 years.
You are dead. Because you know who John Wayne be. He will deal with you, you know.
Hey. No one see him. And you will make me see him. You understand me? You understand me? It's a 35 year you're doing my boss.
I know so long for...
A 35 year you're doing my boss, huh?
But I
make up your mind what you want.
But I know so long for weed, but around 5 years.
All right, and you give me too much talking, you know, man. You better you come to my station.
Wait, no, man. Wait.
What you say now? What you say? Eh?
Where you want?
All right. You see, now we're getting somewhere.
You want some weed? Me can give you some weed.
I don't want no weed, man. John Wayne.
What go on, bossy?
Yo.
Yeah, man. How much part of there now?
Brother, right now, you cut a disturb me, man. In a Shirley belly, me there, no, man. Home to you. Oh, God.
I'm sorry for disturbing, man. I just want, you know what I say? Me license for weed farm up. You want to forward if you could give me a food so me can pay.
Brother, that you call me for, you don't know if you find me.
No, man, me know it. Just because, you know what I say.
Brother, I'm finished what I do, so.
No, man, wait, no. I just because one new youth forward and he say, he want to buy enough of our product, so if me ever sell it, I need to have a business license, so we need some money right now. You know, so me I save some money for the mom, so if I can't forward right now.
Alright, so forward.
Alright. But forward alone, you know, because you...
Brother, come on from my phone, man. Let me finish this with the girl, no?
Alright, boss. Yeah, where's kid? What on, bossy?
Brother, you call me one time there around Judge Baker, brother. What I'm tell you, man, you can't call me one time there around them one day, you know. Say, me have to spend quality time with them woman there, you know.
I know, man, I know.
What you say I'm to you now? What you say there? Brother, if a money a problem, brother, a simple thing, nothing, man, I don't know what to do.
I know, man. Just because I say important, man. Forward over here, see, man.
What you say I'm to you?
Yeah, as me say, you know, some lice up, you they tell me say you want around a 30 pound a week, so you know, say I want a good piece of food that.
30 pounds you want?
Yeah.
Alright. That's why I'm second, you know, man. That's why I'm trust you, you know, man. Because you're a smart youth.
Yeah, man. I'm love and respect you, boss, yeah.
Brother, why I feel love one thing, brother?
I'm sorry, you know. I hope you understand.
I have to give you one to one. I'm saying, man. No, dear man, you're good, man. You're good. You did good today.
You are a sick person.
John Wayne, hearing us this. Sister, cannot go over there. No one is allowed to see the body. No, you cannot go over there. No. Sister, come on, we're going home. Come, we have to go home. Come. No, you cannot go over there. Just take it easy, my sister.
I'm going to take it easy. You can't tell me that right now. No, there's no way we can take it easy.
Sis, my mom been out talk to you one and try to prevent them things, honestly.
How is that? Me don't even know what happened.
So happen, then get running fun. And unfortunately, John will never make it. But now then, they are a weed farm. And my partner confirms that he is dead.
You see him?
No, I did not get to see.
I just want to see him. I just want to know me camera.
Sorry about that, my sister. Man. Just take it easy, man. Just take it easy. My mom don't want about him something for a morning, my sister.
What am I going to do now? I'm pregnant. What am I going to do?
Sis, what you just say?
That's what I'm going to do.
Sis, and them same thing I try to warn about, you know, sis, for a morning. See, you know, another baby without a father. Eh?
I mean, that you tell me right now, I just lost John Wayne.
Sis, I know about, remember say John Wayne, I don't know about the good night, and sis.
It don't matter. I hate me love. I just hate me love. Me not try.
Oh God, sis, you have to just take it easy. I'm sorry, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry.
I know what I'm going to do.
Just take it easy, man. We try to warn about it, man. Just take it easy. Just take it easy. Come on, sis. Woman. Yeah, we'll make some tea. Papa worried here too, you know. Really. My sister.
I'm there. I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too, man.
I'm just still stressed, but you know, I have to get a day at a time.
Yeah, we have to do that sometimes, man. We just come by to make you know some final move. I just gonna sign my last piece of paper then.
Oh boy, I'm gonna miss you.
I miss you too, man.
All right, no, especially I'm stressed out. Me prefer to have you near.
You know,
I
man.
really need you right now.
I can come visit you every weekend, sis. I'll make sure it's all right.
You better promise that, you know.
Promise you.
You know, so me actually start this investigation in a genuine case and something just don't seem right to me.
Yeah, why ask now, sis?
Look, me know say tell me if you leave it alone already, but me just can't let you go. Me have to just feel, you know.
I beg you, please, leave it alone.
But bro, just listen to me, just listen, right?
it just don't seem like I say a whole day say go home end up dead in I will feel something just not seem right. The evidence just not come together to me and like in more me investigate and more things just not add up.
Sis, me have a piece of advice for you right now. Best you do, leave it alone. Because even if John Wayne is innocent in that case, he's not so innocent in the street.
But it
So,
no matter in changing ways, you know. In changing ways for me, me promise you, John Wayne will completely transform.
sis, him already dead already, you know, so
Yeah,
no matter what you do, him not gonna come back. So for your safety, my sis, me I beg you, just drop it.
When changing ways, me promise you. So it's unfair of all the times them when I do things wrong for right now after I become a whole new person. If you just dead so.
Sis, what more you do, that's why you leave it alone, you know? Because I want to make sure so you'll be safe. And I'm not going there no longer for make sure you're good, like every day. I'm not going to on the ground. So just let it go and just be safe. Even if you're there investigation, may I beg you, please. Just be safe.
I promise nobody so me gonna drop this. But me try my best for be discreet or something, but me have to get to the bottom of this, no matter what.
Just be safe, sis. Sis, I know I say I hurt you, sis. But at the end of the day, you have a child where you actually have be living for right now.
But me also have to give my child justice for their father.
Sis, him dead already.
It no matter.
Him not come back anyways. Just be safe. I'm have to go now, yeah?
Alright.
Take care. You want me to too?
Alright.
Alright, take care of yourself. Take care of Papa to your handball child. Yes, sir?
Definitely.
Alright, love you.
It's been a while since I left. Nobody knows where I went, but I think I found my place. Don't worry, I'm doing just fine out in the islands where the time goes a little more my pace.
Whiskey? Good evening. May I have a minute, please?
Good evening. What you want to talk to me about?
I think at this point you know more if to talk to you about. We really need to get to understand now what happened with John Wayne.
What is there to understand? He's dead.
Whiskey, things just don't make no sense. It's not adding up no matter how we try to put the stories together. No matter what Whiskey pieces them just not come together. It not add up no matter how we try to add up the evidence. It don't make no sense. Is there something you not tell me?
Judge Baker, since when you start turn police? Why I do investigation?
Whiskey, you know why I'm doing an investigation. This is a personal matter.
Listen to me. For your own safety, leave this alone. It is simple. Somebody running past me and John Wayne, and he get shot. Me get shot. As you can see, me get shot. Right now, I'm not even me a run off a place in John Wayne's place. A Juta run off a place. And you probably not even know what name, so.
That doesn't even make sense because you're his second in command, his business partner. How is it that somebody... Look, nothing's adding up.
Because me get shot, there was no time for me try to take control of the place. Me now run off a place. Right now, the community in a chaos. So may I ask you please and thank you for just leave it alone. John Wayne is dead.
Whiskey?
That is the simple fact of the matter.
Whiskey, you know I cannot do that. Not with John Wayne. You know how much John Wayne mean to me. You know how much me mean to John Wayne. You think me I could just leave this alone?
That is why I'm telling you to leave it alone. Because I know that John Wayne cared about you, so he would want this. He would want you to leave it alone and get back to your regular life.
Why would he want me to leave this alone?
Get back to reality.
Whiskey, you're not making sense. Why would he want me to leave this alone? Is there something you're not telling me? Look, Whiskey, I hear what you're saying about all this leave it alone nonsense, but I don't think you understand who you're talking to. Because no matter what, justice will be served for John Wayne. Under no circumstances will I ever leave this alone until I get to the bottom of this situation. So even if you don't want to help me, I will find a way. So, have a nice day, all right?
Wait. Listen to me. The person who did this, somebody very powerful. And you want police shoot John Wayne.
Police? That's not the story that I heard.
Well, that is all the information I can give. I don't know who the police, I don't know who the police be. I just know say, I want police do it. So, if I go continue to do your investigation, at least that may be helpful.
Thank you. That is sufficient.
And there's no way we can just convince you if you just leave it alone.
No, absolutely not. Especially after you just said that, but no worries, Whiskey. I'll ensure that I keep you out of this, but ain't no way I'm leaving this alone. John Wayne has to get justice. But thank you.
Good luck.
I don't need it.
Yeah. Judge Baker. We need to move fast.
Hey.
Judge,
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. How you doing?
I'm doing good too. It's nice seeing you, I want to talk to you for a minute. Can you just cross the street or come out the sun?
Definitely.
So how's everything been?
Everything is good, Judge. What's happening?
Well, it turns out that there's a case that I wanted to ask you some questions about. You know the case with John Wayne?
Yeah, man, John Wayne.
Yeah. So apparently I heard that you're the one currently investigating it.
Yes, I'm in charge of that case. That's my case.
All right. So the current situation is that I'm also doing my own personal investigation, right? And there are some things that are just not coming together. So I was wondering if you could, fill me in on some stuff regarding what happened.
But Judge, you know that this is a police matter and you're a judge and I'm a detective.
And I am fully aware of who you are.
Right. And we don't know if the case is going to come in your court, so we cannot be discussing matters relating to an incident and so.
I'm aware of who you are. I'm aware of who I am. And my question still stands. So, as I was saying, John Wayne's case.
Right, John Wayne. I'm doing my investigation, and so far I've been getting some leads.
Okay.
So we're on to a good start. I have every belief that we will solve this case.
Okay, so any clarity on, any possible suspects or anything
We
like
have a few leads that we are working on.
A few leads?
Yes. A few persons of interest.
How many exactly? Because I need to know to narrow it down so I can
As
get
I can
assistance
say,
in nothing.
I cannot give you all the details relating to this case.
Okay.
It's a murder case, and I really have to do my investigation, and I cannot be giving out information. So, as soon as we have a bit more updates, and we're ready to probably go to court, then. But Judge, why are you so intrigued by this case? It started raising some alarm as to.
You don't worry about that. My interest in this case is for me to know only, and for you to just give me the information and assist me with the questions that I'm actually asking.
Judge, we know that John Wayne is a known criminal. You understand? If anybody should ask me, it's a blessing that he's no longer here. You understand? If we even find who did the crime, it's already done. They did us all a favor. The police, we already have enough jobs, enough criminals to deal with. One less is a blessing if you ask.
Detective, the funny thing is, as an investigator on this case, I don't feel like you should have a biased opinion.
I am not biased.
Yes, you have a biased opinion.
I am not. Why would I be biased?
Now, why would you say that he should have died?
You know that it could be one of his enemies that killed him. For all I know, he has plenty of enemies. That man has made quite a lot of crimes,
Regardless, just
what about people bad because I
Look, regardless, just do what you are required to do for this investigation and get to the bottom of it for me, please.
I most definitely will.
Thank you.
Yes.
And at the same time, I will conduct my investigation and ensure that every single thing...
Please do.
Okay.
The police appreciate any help we can get.
Sure. And I hope you gladly assist me as well.
Of course, Judge. No. Anything else for today?
No.
Okay, I think I'll be going back to work then, Judge. Enjoy your day.
You too.
Bossy.
Come in, man, come in.
Deal with.
Where are you with?
Job done, man.
You sure?
Yeah, man, deal with the wicked, man.
You check it.
Yeah, man, check him, man. That boy, I mean, you know what thing go already.
Say everything.
Everything secure, man.
I mean, I have no good account for you, you know.
Man, you know what thing go already. What?
You sure, boss?
Positive, man.
Good God, man.
But you
Hey.
we have a one problem.
What that now?
Witness not there, man.
What?
Yeah, man. And then me I hear say the one John Wayne, he need a deal with the judge, Judge Baker.
What are they? John Wayne and Judge Baker?
Yeah.
What thing I make?
Same thing me say.
So how him get she?
Eh? Why? Me don't know, you know. But now she I look into things and she a talk to the witness.
Hold on, man. Back up for me. Judge Baker and John Wayne in a things?
Hey.
And she a check up?
She a check.
You know, say, boss man, you have to go do a double essay, you know.
Judge?
Yeah, man, you have to, man, you have to go fix that, man.
Why? I want the serious, you know, man.
Yeah, I want, my youth, it must be things that me are not joke thing, man. Remember me tell you. Open yourself for me there. Open yourself. Watch out. This can't leave in bend when me have feel.
Why?
And you say if it mash the work, say double and triple the other one. Oh man, we can't leave.
Yeah, hey, remember me say no man, I judge.
Boss man.
And the witness, you know, man.
I could have even Satan himself come down, man, he can't do it, man. Deal with it, man. We don't want nothing, we don't want a problem, man. We don't want a problem. Deal with it, man. You have anything in your way, you have to deal with it. Just deal with it and link, man.
Hey, no, say a serious thing this time.
Boss man.
Yeah,
you know,
just want you know, you know.
You're capable of anything, man. Just
yeah,
deal with it, man.
Yeah, man, but me just make you know, say I want a serious cause.
That's alright.
It place I get hot. Cause you know, some look into it, say, oh, hey, judge this, that, and you understand.
Just do your work.
Alright.
Do your work. Any little thing you do, you can't just do. Cause we can't really get, cause trust me. We're on the edge right now for all.
Right,
everything run good.
We're so close right now.
Why
so
we can't build all pyramid and we done with all this, man. But we have to just get rid of them obstacles. You see?
Yeah, man. How do you right thing, man?
Yeah, man. Just.
Right. I forgot match up that one I do, you know, man.
Yeah, man. But this time, make sure, say, you not left no
witness.
No witness.
Yeah.
But me trust in you and I know say we deal with it, you know. So, we good?
Yeah, man. We're good, man.
All right. I don't really want to turn in the long, you know, because you know, say, hey, all over the place.
You see me?
So, anyway, big up still. Man, rate that still, rate the move there. But me talk to you still, because I don't want to really get into the details of how it happen now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Boy, just watch yourself, you know.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man. No good.
You know, say me govern already, but watch yourself. You understand?
Are you have me back?
Just say a word, man.
All right, my boss.
Come more.
Yeah, man, know yourself, man. Just do the right thing, man. How would the man get a judge?
Judge Baker.
Whiskey?
What I mean for scare?
What are you doing here? Where are you even coming from?
You don't have to be alarmed.
Why are you here?
Before John was dead, he tell me something to make sure I keep an eye on him. You don't have to be scared, man.
You sure about that? Why are you here at this time of the night?
You have to keep an eye on your head back. I must say, you know, John was dead, you know. And him did there with you. So most likely are you next.
Judge, don't worry about him, man. Don't worry about him, man. I got my combo.
No!
Relax yourself. You me come. Yeah, good babe. Be there, man. No worry yourself. Be there.
Janwin, relax. Breathe easy. Janwin, when are you going to stop all this? You know you're going to go and go until you lose a life?
Doctor, you really think it's the right time for our lecture?
I'm not going to lose my practice because of you, Allen. Trust me. I'm not going to lose my practice.
All right, listen to me. Right now, police probably go come down here. Cause they know see I call the ambulance to pick you up.
Bro, the politician, but half he dead back. You hear me after that?
Boss, don't worry about that. Listen to me. You see when they...
Relax.
Boss, you just relax, man.
Listen to me, John Wayne. You have to listen. Maintain a calm, John Wayne. Breathe easy.
All right.
Breathe easy.
Listen to me, doctor.
Breathe easy.
You see when they come for check him body, if he's still alive, right saying dead.
Okay,
we'll
look.
Stop. People...
John Wayne.
Come down here and look for me, be not there.
All right.
Don't make she come in here.
Yes.
Don't make she see me like this here.
Okay.
When the police them come for ID him body,
right.
Just make sure say nobody can body. Tell them saying dead. You understand? We have to make them believe saying dead.
Let's say I go on, everything good.
Yeah, man. I don't see nobody come home, so she alright.
Like, she anything on this?
Yeah, man.
What I make you say? No,
She alright, man. She good. But boss different me, and I want to apologize to you. So I don't really talk about it.
Come on, I wish care that.
Second time I see the car there.
Go and go look at some now. Go on the song, look at it.
I'll check.
Yeah,
When you stay, so just in case.
Alright, babes. You are going. Now we can come upstairs with you tonight, you know. And son, me have to still lay low.
Just come back.
Yeah, babes, but look, you know. I still come up, but the person was sent to kill me. He's still alive. You understand?
So how him know you even alive? I mean, if nobody don't know, then he can just come in with me.
You see the police boy that we just killed? Him did a work with him. But me don't know if him was send back nobody selling, but me not take no check. But just listen to me. Here what you're gonna do. You're gonna put a tracker on your phone. But just in case me can see it on my phone and know your movements. We go watch it. We don't have the youths on the street to watch it already too.
Yo, Utah. Respect, you know, man.
For real, man.
Yeah, man. Thanks for coming and short notice there still, you know. I know say in that community here where I go on still, you know. I know say, you hear say John Wayne get a little touch up, but him not dead. See?
Yeah, all of that, man.
Alright, here what? Let me tell you what go on. Zane? Him have to figure out or even in mind say I may deal with it. So you know, so little retaliation I go on. Zane? And I know your things there. So that's why I come talk to you now, because I'm going to need some protection.
I can't arrange.
Yeah, man. I know say he's a man who put all your life on the line for me and them things still in hand.
Because my life on the line. Nah, man. Me ensure say all right. I'm going to make sure say you get some protection, but I put my life on the line.
All right.
Next time. Is it?
All right, here what happened then. I want to get some soldier. Zane? Because I know me have need a protection.
So you know you have to go buy some strap.
That's at least, man. Sure. You know what I'm saying, right, man? That's at least. But anyway, as I said to you, I know say that the man there will come and come hard. You understand? So, you may have in line and know if you go deal with things in our community, you know. Because I don't with him, you know. As a matter of fact, you know. You hear me? If you can't done him, wouldn't mind I done him too, you know. Because
I swear I swear me.
Remember him come at me, you know, I tell you, you know. So you put you and you come so boom and take him out in the box. Everything is safe, you know. See? And I nothing to think about now, something why you deal with in the box, man.
Make sure if me reach a jail, you take care of me door.
Jail can't hold you, man. You do the work good, man. Don't worry about them part, man. I don't lie, man. Zane? I'm saying one of my squad go deal with the thing, but the man mess it up, man. Seriously, man done the man in the man. Come on, tell me, say, boy, yeah, everything all right. Yo, if my man make me know man feel, the man feel good. Say, boy, yeah, the man out. And then all of a sudden, boy, me get news. Bad news on my side, the man still alive.
Come out of hospital already?
I said, because I can be a E that me I work with. But anyway, the long and the short, you know, boss. As me say, you know your thing said when you work on it. Want the protection, any little chance you get for take him out, you take him out.
Starting from tomorrow.
How are you, man? Starting from now.
Alright, I'm sorry.
But me I get the things them for you, man, so don't worry about that. See?
So me can't pick up the thing then.
Well, me I call the man and give man. It's easy something that me get that, man. Remember say election round the car, and that straight me out, you know. Election round the car, man.
No. As a car I drive out anytime, anywhere, any man.
Yeah,
night.
man, where there, man.
Just show me, yeah?
Yeah, man, you're good, man.
Alright.
Big up, man, respect.
Government thing, yeah. Just say nothing, man.
Yeah, man, tell him.
Just
oh, like nothing now work, everywhere me turn up here.
No, man, I'm comfortable, man. Comfortable yourself. If anything, you just call my phone if I leave, if I drive out, yeah?
Alright.
Boom, bam.
Yo, Jota! Yo! Come here, man. I have a little thing for you still. So just one hold on, partner. Then?
Alright, say no more.
Yeah, man. Just hold on, partner. Why, man, I tell you. You know, miss me have a work with meteorology.
Oh.
Yes, man, you get him.
You buffoon, me tell you, say. This ain't not John Wayne. Judge Baker.
Alright, hold on.
Jesus Christ.
Where's that?
What are you doing? Hold on.
Eh?
Bossman,
What is it?
Jota.
You're not officer. What? Oh.
Listen to me.
What are you doing here?
Jesus Christ.
Huh?
What wrong with you?
Here?
Brother, me can't catch Quack, I must catch him shot, bad man. I'm for the cup and move and not go on.
You double make things
What
worse
are you
now.
doing here? Why are you involved in this? You think you're going to get away with this?
Put it back on her
You think
mouth.
you're going to get away with this?
Put it back on her mouth.
That even makes sense.
Put it back on her mouth.
Hold on.
Quiet, man.
Brother, ease yourself now, man.
How you made this happen now?
What you want to do?
What do you mean what you for them? I'm tell you who for care come here. Why is she here?
So back her then, brother. Can kill her too. Now look for for.
Nice.
But so what we going to do with her then?
Now why you kind of predicament you put we in now?
To dig a hole, brother.
I want to this man here, man. I'm judging you. Judge. Eh? But you can't do one simple.
Bag her up. She see your face already, you know.
Boss man, are you a problem, you know? Are you have to fix this, you know?
Easy yourself.
Listen to me. Are you a problem? It's simple, me tell you. Bring a man come. When woman I do here? You can't do nothing right. How we gonna fix this problem now?
When me do?
What you people are waiting for? Then you put me in this problem. I tell you to bring the man come and look what you bring come.
I just dump her, man.
Boss man, Mr. Look. Yo. John Wayne, make we talk about this now.
Talk about this?
Judge, a little mercy. Please.
Minister Basso.
Judge.
After everything we do for you.
Judge, just talk to him.
Eh?
Yeah, look here.
Eh?
Look here.
After everything we do for you, get up.
Jesus Christ. John Wayne, let me get answer. No, John Wayne, anything you want. Anything you want, I promise you. Jesus. John Wayne, have mercy, no mercy.
Then you know, babes.
No, me never know. Him. Me never know. I never know. Ask her.
Mr. Basso, I trade even know you know, Mr.
John Wayne, just we can't talk.
If I never put me youth, Mr. Minister Basso, I trade even know what you do, you know. After everything we do for you.
Sorry, man. Look here. No, me tell you, say him.
Hear me, I say.
John Wayne, me ask your mercy. Go.
Hear me, I say. You better make this right. Here? You say if I never for she.
Anything you say, boss.
You say if I never for she and me baby in the belly.
Yes.
You see a different side of John Wayne today. You hear me, I tell you?
All right, please. Not kill me. I beg you, not kill me. Not make me right. Not gonna make you right.
You better make sure say this go on the Jamaica Observer, you know.
Sorry.
And if me I come back, you know, see when me I forward here.
All right, anything you say. Sorry, boss.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
Come on, babes.
Hi, welcome to the Nightly News. I am Dana Lee Anderson, reporting for Paradise News. Breaking news tonight as the streets of Kingston are left reeling from a shocking shootout.
Police and military swarmed the usually busy streets of Spanish Town in St. Catherine Thursday morning to prevent more situations like this. It's believed thugs firebombed this business place on Yonge Street. They also erected roadblocks.
According to eyewitnesses, the notorious figure, Omar Anderson, otherwise known as Whiskey, along with Detective Spenshall, were shot and killed during a fierce gunfire exchange.
He was one of the main targets for the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force based on his involvement in various acts of criminality.
The fear now is that there will be reprisals.
The incident occurred early this morning in the Cherry Gardens area. Meanwhile, in a separate incident, popular businessman and politician Mr. Vassell was slapped with corruption charges and abuse of power. Vassell, who has been a prominent figure and a politician for years, is accused of using his influence to embezzle funds and silence his critics. We'll continue to follow these developments and provide you with updates as soon as information becomes available. And that's it for the nightly news. I am Dana Lee Anderson reporting for Paradise News.
Let me tell you this, boy. You can't run a establishment and no one paying a dues now. You have to pay. You have to pay. Little for me, man. Yeah. You have to pay.
Jerry, come back. Come here.
No.